Alright guys, I want to show you how to increase your profit per hour in this right here, because this is going to be the criteria for the airdrop. So let's go and increase this profit per hour. We come to mine down below, then you can open as much cards as you can. Me, I've been opening cards with my balance because the balance you're seeing there will not be used as the criteria. They will use the profit per hour. So you come here and open cards with your balance to increase your profit per hour. Then come to these specials. If you check, there are some cards that they have shown you own this card. It means you have opened it early and you can't buy that one again since you already own the card. So you can buy this Web3 game coin. Each time the countdown goes to 0, you buy. And even this one, you keep buying like that. You wait for the countdown to go to 0, keep buying. Open the card with 50% of your balance if possible, so that you can be eligible for the airdrop that is coming soon. So you can open as much card as you can. Some of the tags need referrals, like 3 to 4 referrals, so you can equally refer your friends to open more cards for you. So that is it for the profit per hour. I will send more videos. Please stay active in the group, as a lot of updates will be happening here. We make money this bull run season. Make sure you are ready to make money.